Hi guys, I want to talk to you about the BlacKnife. It's the company called BlacKnife. Guys, that packaging is super cool. I don't know what it is, but I kind of geek out with super cool packaging. Now this knife right here is awesome because you can engrave anything you want on it. And guess what? I engraved my name on it. And you're like, why'd you put your name on it? That's kind of silly. Well, I want to put my name on it so my daughter knows whose knife it is. This is my knife to open my packages up. It has my name on it so that there's no confusion as to where did my knife go to. Now, you don't have to put your name on it. You can engrave anything you want on it, but isn't that cool that you can engrave anything on it? So if you're a dad, you have a dad, or you know a dad, which pretty much covers everybody, this would make it a great dad gift. And opening it up right out of the gate, it is pretty sharp. This is gonna work perfect for like opening up packages, just everyday carry, right? You always know that guy that always has a pocket knife in his pocket. Well, you know what? Now you can either be that guy or give that guy a gift.